Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sisi here of Wombo. Today guys, come along with me and be able to show you how I make or cook my Sukumawiki with Ugali. Sukumawiki, in other words, we call it Kales. So I have my Kales and I'll be able to show you all the ingredients that you need. Stay tuned. So this is what I have guys. I have my kales, they are already cut, and then I have avocado. For those who relate, Kenyans will love avocado with ugali. And then I have my flour for cooking ugali, and then I will need salt. And I will need Royco cubes to add in my kales or Sukumawiki. And so guys, we'll start the process, and I'll clean my hands. So it's time to cut my onion and tomato. Remember I told you before, I discovered a way of cutting onion without your eyes crying. You dip in salty water, and then now I'll be able to cut it. So guys, I'm doing better. My cold is going now. I've been taking medicines and now I'm better. Actually, I'm good now. So I've cut my onions and I'll also cut my tomato. 2 tomatoes enough. Another way of putting your onions so that your eyes can stop crying, you can be able to put your onion in a cooler or in the freezer for maybe like 5 minutes, and then you remove it and it will be good to go. So I've cut my onions and I have my tomato, and now it's time for cooking the kales. Guys, I'll add my onions and put in the pot, and then I'll be able to add cooking oil. I'm using fresh free oil. So I'll put a bit of oil because kales needs a bit of oil. Then I'll put on my fire on. So I'll let my onions to cook, and I'll be able to add my kales. So let the onion cook and add my tomato. So guys, my onion is ready. I'll add my tomato and I'll let it cook. So I'll leave it until the tomatoes are soft. So guys, you can see now my tomatoes are soft. And I'll be able to add my kales. I'll be able to add my kales. They were cut earlier. This is a famous Kenyan meal. Most of the time when you come to Kenya, you will find most Kenyans love eating ugali and sukumawiki. I love it also, but I don't love eating ugali like continuous, like 3 days continuous or 4 days continuous. I get bored very fast with ugali. That is me. And so my sukumawiki are a lot, so I'll be able to add all. And then I'll cover it and we shall wait it to cook. So guys, I'll check my vegetables. And now they are almost there. And what I will do, I'll be able to add salt. But remember, when you're using Royco cube, you don't put too much salt, because Royco cube is salty. So this is the Royco cube that I'm going to use, beef Royco cube. And I'll add a little bit of garam masala. A little, not too much. Then I'll mix it. And so I'll let it cook and I'll be able to cook my ugali. And so guys, my kales are ready. And now I want to cook my ugali. Guys, my water is boiling, my ugali water. And now I'm ready to make my ugali, or to cook ugali. I realized I put too much water, so I have to reduce. And for me guys, there are some people who add salt, but for me I normally love adding margarine or butter to make my ugali tasty. So I'm not going to make too much ugali, just little ugali for the night or for the day. So you have to keep mixing until the flour and the water is well mixed. So after the water and flour is well mixed, you can be able to leave it now so it can cook. So I'll leave it to cook. So now my ugali is smelling. It's smelling, so it's cooked already. So let it cook for a while. So now my ugali is ready, guys. It's smelling so nice. So I'll transfer my ugali here. That's my ugali, guys. So meanwhile, I'll be showing you how I'll serve my food. Guys, my food is ready. Ugali and Sukumawiki, or ugali and Kales. So now I'll wash my avocado. So let's see if my avocado is good. Wow. Guys, so now I don't know whether it can be able to come out. Actually, that one will take a long time, so I will remove it with my spoon. It's really nice when you take in ugali, sukumawiki, and avocado. And avocado is good also for your skin. So guys, this is my meal for the day. Let us taste. Let me taste it and hear the taste. Let me taste it, guys. Let me taste it. So this is how I'll eat it. Guys, the avocado is tasty. The kales are tasty the way I just wanted. It's really nice. Wow, guys, the food is tasty. So I just want to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Road to at least 500 subscribers and be able to appreciate. Make sure you try this meal. It's so nice. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.